Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you a bot that you can use to automatically follow users on Whatnot using a custom Python bot. Whether you're a seller, a marketer, or just want to grow your presence, this tool can save you hours of work. This bot is built using Python and is designed to automate the task of following users directly from the reviews page on Whatnot. All you need to do is provide two things: the URL of the reviews page, the number of users you want to follow. Once you hit start, the bot begins by scraping user profiles from the reviews page link you provided. It collects each user profile automatically. Then it goes through each profile one by one and starts following them just like a human would, but way faster and error-free. This bot is fully customizable. Need it to interact with listings, leave comments, scrape buyer data? No problem. Just tell us what tasks you want to automate, and we can build a solution tailored to your needs. If you're looking for a bot like this, either for Whatnot or any other social media platform, we offer paid automation services tailored just for you. Reach out to us with your requirements and let's build something powerful together. If you found this video helpful and you're looking for someone to build something similar for you or your business, whether it's automating repetitive tasks, building custom web tools, dashboards, AI-based tools, or data workflows, I can help. I offer custom development services, including web automation, API integrations, Python scripting, Django apps, Python-based solutions, AI-based apps, and more, all tailored to your exact needs. Whether you're a small business owner, a real estate agent, or a busy team looking to streamline operations, let's talk. Check the link in the description to get in touch or book a quick call with me. Let's turn your idea into a working solution. Thanks for watching. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss more smart tools and tutorials.